5 seconds. Start. US President Donald Trump said on Wednesday he would pass many of his new tariffs for 90 days, even as he raised them further on imports from China. Para. Trump's sudden reversal came less than 24 hours after steep new tariffs kicked in on imports from dozens of trading partners. The new trade barriers have hammered markets, raised the odds of recession, and prompted retaliatory responses from China and the European Union. Para. Trump said he would raise the tariff on Chinese imports to 125% from the 104% level that took effect at midnight. At the same time, he said he would lower them on other countries also subject to his new targeted duties. Para. I have authorized a 90-day pass and a substantially lowered reciprocal tariff during this period of 10%, also effective immediately, Trump wrote on social media. It is unclear how the move affects the European Union, which earlier announced its own tariffs on US imports and goods. Para. Earlier in the day, China and the European Union announced new trade barriers on US goods in response to steep duties imposed by Trump, escalating a global trade war that has hammered markets and raised the likelihood of recession. Para. The European Union said it would impose 25% tariffs on a range of US imports in a first round of countermeasures. The 27-member bloc faces US tariffs of 20% on most products and higher duties on autos and steel. Para. Countermeasures in Canada, a close US ally and major trading partner, also took effect today. Para. Targeted US duties on dozens of other countries from Japan to Madagascar also took effect, the latest in a thickest of tariffs that are unwinding a global trading order that has been in place for decades. Tariffs in the world's largest consumer market now average above 20% according to various estimates, up from 2.5% before Trump took office. Para. Trump's punishing tariffs, which he says aim to end US trade deficits with many countries, have upended a global trading order in place for decades, raising fears of recession and wiping trillions of dollars off the market value of major firms. Para. Global markets took a pummeling today as Trump's eye-watering 104% tariffs on China came into effect and a savage sell-off in US bonds sparked fears that foreign funds were fleeing US assets. Para. Beijing has consistently opposed tariff rises and said earlier today Stop writing.